So what you're gonna do is you can start up the car first. You see there's an oil mitten required soon. So what you're gonna do is use this pad here. So first, if you look at it, it tells you to push the back button. So we're gonna do that. After you do that, you can go to left or right, doesn't matter. But you want to go to here, scroll down into vehicle setting, push enter, or hold it down. You go down, push enter, go up, push OK, then you're gonna push back, then you're gonna go down, do the same thing, push enter, go up, push enter, and that's it. Then after you do that, just push back to go back where you want it. And when you get to here, you can just go leave wherever you want it to. I always leave it here. But that's it.